A dishwasher is a home appliance that works by spraying hot, soapy water at high pressure using spinning arms. It uses a heater to heat the water and a pump to spray and drain it. After washing, it rinses and then dries the dishes. Think of it as a highly automated version of you washing dishes by hand, but much more efficient and hygienic. It combines three main scientific principles to clean dishes. 1. Mechanical action. This is the scrubbing part where, instead of using a sponge, a dishwasher uses powerful jets of hot water sprayed from rotating arms. These jets hit the dishes with force, dislodging food particles. 2. Chemical action. This comes from the dishwasher detergent. Unlike regular dish soap, dishwasher detergent is specially formulated to work with hot water and be effective without creating suds that would overflow the machine. It contains enzymes and other chemicals that break down grease, proteins, and starches into smaller, water-soluble pieces that can be washed away. 3. Thermal action. This involves heat as hot water helps the detergent work more effectively, softens food residues, and, crucially, provides sanitization by killing bacteria. The final heat also helps to dry the dishes. Here is the step-by-step of how it works when you load your dishwasher and press start. 1. Initial rinse or pre-wash. This is optional where a small amount of water is sprayed over the dishes. This is like a quick pre-rinse to loosen any heavily stuck on food bits and carry them down the drain. This water is then pumped out. 2. The main wash cycle begins when the dishwasher fills with a specific amount of water into a basin at the bottom. Then electric heating elements located at the bottom of the dishwasher quickly heat this water to a very high temperature, typically between 55 degrees Celsius and 75 degrees Celsius. Once the water is hot enough, a dispenser automatically opens, releasing the dishwasher detergent into the hot water. A pump then forces this hot, soapy water up through spray arms, usually one on top and one on the bottom, sometimes a third in the middle. These arms have nozzles that spray the water with high pressure, creating a powerful scrubbing action all over your dishes. The rotation of the arms ensures water reaches every corner. 3. As the dirty water washes over the dishes, it collects food particles. Most dishwashers have a filter system that traps these particles to prevent them from being redeposited onto clean dishes. This dirty water is then pumped out of the machine and down your drain. 4. To remove any remaining detergent residue and loosened food, the dishwasher goes through one or more rinse cycles. Fresh water is brought in, heated, sprayed over the dishes, and then drained away. 5. After the final rinse, the dishwasher enters the drying phase. This phase can be either heat-dry, air dishwashers use a heating element to warm the air inside, causing the water on the dishes to evaporate quickly, or condensation dry, where some dishwashers use residual heat from the hot rinse water combined with the cooler stainless steel interior of the dishwasher. The hot water on the dishes turns to steam, which condenses back into water droplets on the cooler walls of the dishwasher, and then flows down to the drain. This method uses less energy. To simply understand the analogy of the working of a dishwasher, imagine washing dishes with your hands. You scrub with soap and hot water, rinse, and then dry. The dishwasher is like a robot that does all this, but it sprays water super fast, uses very hot water, and knows exactly how long to do each step with the help of sensors and timers that control each step.